Dah siap pasang. Terima kasih semua. Today I will teach you how to disassemble and assemble the laptop. Oh, sorry, no, laptop. No. Today let me teach you how to. Let us teach you how to disassemble and assemble this sexy desktop. Okay, first we use this screw. Look, this screw. Okay, we like this. We open. We open this. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh. Okay. Another one. We got two. Yes. Wow. Okay. Hebat. Sorry. Okay. Then we have to open this cover. How we open like this? Then we can get out the cover of the desktop. Okay. Let's look through inside. The component. Okay, right here we can see a lot of component right here. This is we got a lot of component including the CPU, the GPU, the hard disk, the PSU system, everything inside there, and the motherboard. So this everything we combine, we become a computer. Yeah. So let us explain about this. Hi. Alright guys, so after we disassemble the desktop right here, you can see here are all the components that we got inside our casing, our desktop casing. So let me introduce some of the important components inside our computer. Okay, so the first thing is the motherboard. We also know as our backbone of the whole computer because it's connected every component inside, including our RAM, our CPU, our GPU, and also our hard disk, which we can store our data, our video inside. Okay, so motherboard right here, we can see right here. Motherboard we can put inside our CPU right here, which is the main thing lah. Okay, and then here is for the RAM, and then here also our main supply, which can provide the electric from the PSU to let our old stuff right here power up. So another one of the important component that inside our computer is CPU right here. Okay, look, the shiny here. This is that we call CPU. So CPU we also know as CPU is also known as a brand that for the computer right here. It's used to calculate everything. We got a lot of things inside, such as we got ALU, arithmetic logic unit, we got control unit, and then what we got else? We got register inside. Okay, so CPU also we got a lot of levels such as the i5, i3, and also the highest one, which is the i7. So how the CPU we put inside the motherboard? Right here we got a slot, we got a special slot for our VIP, our brand right here. We just simply put inside right there and gently close the case. Don't forget to lock it. That's all. So this is how we assemble the CPU to our motherboard. Okay, so now let me teach you and show you how do we assemble the motherboard inside our case. So right here you can see this motherboard we got screw slot right here that we have to screw the screw inside right here, and we have to like fix it inside lah. Okay, so how we put? Okay, we just like this. we find the place betul-betul, and then
kita biar je.
pasang saja macam ni.
Ni keluar je.
Slide inside here. Like this. And you have to make sure the hole. Come. Right here, you can see this is the slot that for us to screw the screw right here. So we have to make sure the hole is very deep, which will not to cause our motherboard be damaged lah. So okay, let's assemble it.
This right here is this heat sink. It's a metal component that absorbs excess heat from the CPU and releases it into the air. With this, it helps prevent the CPU from overheating. Let me show you how to assemble it. So just insert it right above the CPU and screw it in place. This is honey storage device. It stores operating system, files and software even when the computer is turned off. Let me show you how to assemble it.
It's a rack random access memory. This is a high-speed volatile memory. Temporary storage for data currently processing by the CPUs. Okay, it acts as the buffer. This ensures the smooth performance for multiplexing and application building. Let's see how we use it. So this is the memory slot. To install a new memory, we should install the memory. We should ensure the golden plate or the connection metal is clean and is fit with your motherboard. So we open the lock and illustrate the metal plate.
This is the cooler fan. It absorbs heat from inside the PC and releases it into the outside air to prevent the PC from overheating. This is how we install it.
So this is a GPU. It's a set graphic processing unit. So this is what display your thing that you see in your desktop. The higher the spec, the more the clear and processing the performance of the display. So let me show you how to assemble. So you see right here, there's a blocking right here, and you need to fit it in here. So you just do it in, and then you do a little push when it fits, and then after that you push it here. And that's it for the GPU. So now for the power supply unit, PSU, there's many types of color to easier to differentiate the unit that the power to go. So the color is for easier to maintenance. So let me show you how to assemble it.
We put the case back, and now remember to screw it in case the case wasn't go up.